What's up, team? This is Coach Avalos coming back at you from the bull ring. Want to cover some key levels for tomorrow since we do have CPI going to be reported about 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, guys. So here I have SPY chart up, and I've marked off some resistance and support levels, guys. So we're looking at 518 as our top resistance, but our first resistance is going to be 512.67, which we can see they're challenging right now in the aftermarket. We do have support down here in the 508 area, guys. So I thought I'd mark off some areas for you because this is going to be important tomorrow. When do you get into a put option? When do you get into the call option? These are key levels, and I want to show you guys how you do it so you make sure you don't make any mistakes. Now, if you're buying shares, it's kind of the same thing, right? Doesn't matter if you're buying the calls or the puts, or you're going to buy shares, or you're going to short it. Okay. This is what you need to know, especially if you're a new trader. You need to know this stuff before you get into a trade. All right. So we are currently here, guys. Okay. About the 5, 12, 40 area. Okay. So tomorrow you're going to see this go up and down in the pre-market, but when the market opens up, guys, okay, we're looking at this area here, and if we get it to jump up, okay, remember your resistance area is here, 512. Okay, so you don't want to jump into a call option because you see it going up. Okay, the first thing I'm going to look for is I'm going to look for a rejection in this area, and if I get that rejection, guys, okay, and I see it going down, I am going to jump into a put option. Okay, now, you might say, well, it's going up, coach. Okay, yes, it is, but we want to make sure we get confirmation. What's our confirmation? Our confirmation is we're going to get past the resistance line. We're going to come down and test it. So we want to bounce off of that resistance line and continue upward. And then we jump into a call option, okay? If you get all the way to the top here, which we might, you never know with CPI, if we get to the 518 area, guys, look for some rejection. Look at these candles here, okay? We've had some big rejection areas right in here. So if we reject, okay, I'm buying the put option, okay? But I need to see us go up, hit that resistance area, and then start going down. Okay, now the key levels at the bottom. If we make it all the way down to the support area, guys, this is how I play it. If I get to support at 508.49 and I bounce up, okay, I am going into a call option. Now, if we get past the support line, okay, and you see us come back up, which we always do, that's your confirmation. If we get resistance here and we bounce down, great time to jump into a put option, guys. So make sure you guys don't just jump in because you crossed the line. A lot of people say, hey, buy puts above or below here, buy calls above here. Guys, you need confirmation. You need those bounces. So make sure you're paying attention to that when and before you enter your trade. All right. Let's look at Tesla. Tesla is what I am playing this week, guys. Only for one reason, is because I am looking for a big bullish move from Tesla, which I know is going to come pretty soon, okay? But these are the key levels for Tesla, guys. We have support at 174. We have support at 176. We have resistance at about the 180 area. We also had resistance at the 182 area. Same concept here, guys. We are currently here at the 178.21 in the after market. Okay, what we want to see is if we start heading up with Tesla, okay, you might see some action like this as soon as the market opens. Okay, look for that resistance. If it gets rejected again, we start going down, great time to buy a put option. If it does not get rejected and we go up, look for the confirmation for us to come back down and bounce off this resistance area, okay? right there, right there. Let me mark that off. Okay, resistance at the 179. And we start making our way up. Great opportunity for a call option, guys. Okay. Same thing if we get up to this resistance area. So let's say you didn't get in here, but we make it up here. Look for this rejection at 182 area, guys, maybe 183. If we do reject and start going back down, awesome opportunity for a put option. But let's say the market decides to dump right at the beginning and we make it all the way down to the support area. Look for that bounce in here. Great time for the call option. If we go past that support line, okay, do not, I'm going to repeat, do not jump into a put option until you see this rejection happen. This is confirmation for a put option, but you have to have this confirmation here, guys, okay? Now, let's say you missed this opportunity, and now we get to the next support line, and you see we made it here. We're bouncing, okay? Call option time, okay? If we went past support, okay, make sure again we're looking for that rejection at the support line, and then we make our way down. I'm jumping into a put option, okay? These rejection area, guys, is key for your trading game, okay? Look at these lines right in there. We're looking for rejection or bounces, okay? Look at this. We're looking for a bounce, get into a call. Here, we're looking for some rejection. We get into a put. Again, support, right? We want to see a bounce, okay? Or we want to see rejection. Come on, little circle, work with me. All right, guys. So again, right, we're looking for those rejections. We're looking for those bounces in order to jump into our trades. Do not get super excited and try to jump in there early, guys. It is going to be a painful trading day for you. If you do that, stay patient. These moves happen. Make sure you stay patient. All right, one more for you guys here, guys. CPI data is coming out tomorrow. Don't forget that. Okay, let's cover NVIDIA. NVIDIA is the king of the hill still, and whatever NVIDIA is doing, the market is doing. Okay. Reminder, guys, if you're enjoying this video and it's showing you and giving you value, please subscribe, guys. Hit that like button. It helps the channel. And also smash that little bell so you get a reminder every time I come on here. You get a reminder and you get a text message or an email that I've posted a video so you can see these key levels or any information that is going to add value to your trading game. Okay. So let's look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA has been a monster so far. It did take a big dip, guys. Okay. I mean, we're talking about $100 or more. But NVIDIA is staying strong. It's finding support right above this 840 area. We did get down to about 840, 842. Okay. We found resistance at 897. But today we were basically very volatile. Look at the size of these candles on a 2-hour. Okay, we did see some rejection here, but now in the after market, we are seeing a little move up. Okay, so what am I looking for tomorrow with NVIDIA, guys? Okay, CPI data, I think that the bar is set very low for CPI. So I think that we're going to hit that number. And I think the market is going to rip right off the bat, okay? Again, we have resistance at 897, guys. If I see we reject and start going down, put option. If I see that we go past it, I'm looking for a bounce off that resistance line. And then if I see a move up, I'm buying a call option. If we make it up to the original biggest high it had, okay, I'm looking for the same thing, guys. I'm looking for resistance. If we head down, put option for me. If we hit above it, of course, I'm looking for a bounce off that resistance line and then hit it up. We're looking for some call options. This is going to be a big move if it happens. Can it happen? Absolutely. Why? Because they did go down and we do have a big gap in here, guys. Look at this. We still haven't filled this gap. We're getting resistance right in this area and they are going to go after it. They don't do it tomorrow. They're going to do it one of these days, guys. Count on it within the next 10 days. Everybody thinks we hit the top. So far, we have NVIDIA's been set and readjusted by analysts to not 850. Actually, it was 850, right? They said right around here. That was NVIDIA. Now they're saying to the moon, guys, 1200 or 1250. So look for big moves out of NVIDIA. Now, if the data for some reason is not liked by the market, okay, and I see it move down, I'm going to wait for the support area. And if I see that we bounce up, definitely buying a call. If I see that we go past it, go past that line, and I see it's come up, if we reject, that's the only way I go into a put option. If we don't reject and we go up, call option, because they will set some bear traps, guys. Okay, let me show you. Right in here, the bear traps can happen because they're gonna show you that it went down, and instead of resistance, you're gonna see them move back up here into this area. So be very careful if you do jump into a put option. What I do is I set a nice stop loss, guys. Okay, do not enter your trade without setting a stop loss. Pick an area where you want to stop the loss if it does go the wrong way for you. Okay, now if this has been a little bit hard for you to understand because you're a new trader, guys, come over to bullringtrading.com, guys. bullringtrading.com, and here you have a lot of resources, guys. I have resources on YouTube as well, free courses, so you can start understanding how to get in and out of a trade. What does it mean when the candles go above a line, they go above a cloud, all that good stuff? Okay, you have the option here to get a free ebook, guys. Come on in, learn how to trade for beginners right in there, guys. I have the ultimate indicator that'll help you with a lot of free videos, guys, for $9.99. And also, of course, I have video courses, but I want to show you the special first, guys. Okay, you get the courses for $1 a day, guys. All right, $1 offer. You come in here, you click on this little bat boy there, and guys, 30 days money back guarantee. If you don't like it, you didn't find value, come get it. There's financing if you guys want to go on payments. Okay, you don't have to pay the full installment, but it comes down to $1 a day. Come over to the video courses, guys, and just click on the beginner one, and you can come in here. Okay, $1 a day, you get all the courses for $1. If you want to buy them separate, they're $199, guys. But come in here, you can start here, you can preview this one for free. You got another one here for you to preview, guys. Just click on it, it'll take you right into the course, and you'll see how to start. You get this for free, guys. So don't forget, I'm gonna leave a link below, guys. There you go. I'm going to leave you guys a link below so that you guys can click on it. Also, I'm going to leave you a link so you can come into my chat room for free and check us out when we trade live, guys, every single day. So don't forget, at bullring.com, guys, $1. You can't go wrong with 30 days money back guarantee. Until the next video, I'm wishing you guys a green week.